Today, we're visiting one of the most peaceful and iconic places on California's central coast. Pfeiffer, Big Sur State Park, and Big Sur Lodge. So exciting! Big Sur is known for dramatic cliffs and ocean views, but this park shows a different side of the region. Here, Big Sur slows down. Towering redwoods replace crashing waves, and the sound of Big Sur River becomes the background music. This video is a walking, talking guide through Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park and the Lodge, what makes it special, what you'll see, and why this is one of the best places to experience Big Sur without needing a long hike or extreme terrain. These grills are so unique and fantastic that it makes you want to come here, cook out, bring your family, bring your friends, make new ones. So exciting. Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park sits inland from Highway 1, nestled in a redwood-filled valley carved by the Big Sur River. What makes it special is it is all accessible. You don't have to hike miles to feel immersed in nature. The redwoods begin almost immediately, and the trails are well maintained and clearly marked, and I would say for the most part, probably wheelchair accessible. This park protects over 1,000 acres of coastal redwoods, oak woodlands, sycamore groves, and river habitat. It's also one of the most visited state parks in California, and for good reason. It is made to entertain, my friend. Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park is named after the Pfeiffer family, early settlers who lived and arrived in the Big Sur region in the late 1800s. The land later became a state park in 1933. Look at this tree. This is one of the oldest Big Sur redwood trees here. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible how many years this tree has been here. The best time to visit, well, my friends, the best time to visit this park is all the time. Spring, it's green, it's flowing river, it's fewer crowds. Summer, warm weather, popular but lively. Fall, cooler, quieter, beautiful light. Winter, peaceful, moody, fewer visitors, but check road conditions. And arrive early for parking. Bring layers, it's cooler under the redwoods. And wear comfortable walking shoes. Check trail conditions before hiking, and reservations are strongly recommended for the lodge. It does fill up. And the river is beautiful. It is definitely worth taking advantage of, seeing all that Big Sur and Central California on the coast has to offer. One of the best things about Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park is how accessible it is. Depending upon the season, you're going to see clear, shallow water like we see today, smooth river stones, sunlight filtering through redwood branches. Big Sur River runs directly through the park, creating shaded picnic areas and gentle walking paths. In warmer months, people wade in the river, while in cooler seasons, it becomes a reflective, peaceful centerpiece. As far as the redwood trails, there's several short to moderate trails beginning near the main park area. The redwood trees, like you've seen here, are not just tall, they are ancient. And as you walk, notice how quiet it becomes. Redwood forests absorb the sound, creating a natural calm that feels almost meditative. You may see wildlife as well, deer grazing near the river, birds like jays and woodpeckers. We've seen both jays and woodpeckers today, squirrels and chipmunks, occasionally wild turkeys. Early mornings and evenings are best times for wildlife. And remember, this is their home. Observe quietly and give them space. Enjoy the water. We have here one of the redwoods that have fallen. And my friends, I'm told these take thousands of years to grow. They can live for thousands of years, and they take hundreds of years to decay. So this tree right here might have actually died before the beginning of our country. You gotta love nature. Gotta love nature. Amazing. You don't need to hike to feel all the magic. The redwoods are right here. The nature trail loops around the campground. There's the Pfeiffer Falls Trail, the Valley View Trail. As you walk, it's just really a calm, meditative area. And look at this wonderful outside stage. We're going to go up on stage and just check out these incredible benches made out of half-cut logs. So incredible. Imagine here, my friends, having a company picnic, having a family reunion. This place, I know it's on the other side of the United States from me, but it's well worth a trip, well worth a visit. Love the way they have laid this out. This is so fun. Look at this stage right up in front of this crowd. Can you imagine Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts giving out their awards? Absolutely incredible. And the signs along the trails are made by the young ones. I love it, love it, love it, love it here. And just absolutely amazing. So do try to stay at the lodge. They've got a restaurant serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's absolutely incredible. Best time to stay, just plan ahead, make your reservation, and enjoy. But Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park isn't about dramatic cliffs or postcard views. We're going to get those from this entire area. But Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park is special because it's about slowing down, walking among ancient trees, which is really rejuvenating to my soul, listening to a river, experiencing Big Sur at a gentler pace. So whether you're staying at the lodge or just visiting for the day, this park offers something rare. Accessible wilderness with deep tranquility. If Big Sur feels overwhelming, this is the place to breathe. This park reminds you that not every great destination has to be dramatic to be powerful. Sometimes the most memorable places are the ones that slow your breathing, quiet your thoughts, and stay with you long after you've left the forest behind. Have a great day, my friends. See you again real soon.